Thursday, August 7th, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature this morning, 74.4. We have a high tide coming up at 6:45 this morning. Wind is northeast, day number 2. This wave just came up pretty far. Waves are looking 3 to 4.5 foot. No flies on the beach today. The flags are, if I was a lifeguard, I would make the flags red today, but there's a chance they might be generous and go yellow. Yeah, it's really choppy today. You can surf, it's just, you're gonna be doing a lot of duck diving to get out there. And yeah, that's pretty much the update today. It should get a little nicer out today compared to yesterday. I see blue skies actually out there, whereas yesterday it was just gray. And the side note today, the water, I think the water is really dirty. I know a couple surfers are getting ear infections this week. Yeah, take a hydrogen peroxide bath if you go out there. But anyways, that's the update. Everybody has a great Thursday.